Today's a fabulous autumn day in late September. We've got light winds, we've got blue sky, can still feel some warmth from the sun. Bees are still buzzing about on the plants. And I thought I'd bring you a selection of late summer flowering plants, bulbs and tubers, some of which are triggered into flowering by the days getting shorter. I know we think about plants flowering on those lovely long summer days, but some are actually triggered into flowering once the light levels start to drop and those days start to shorten. Things, for example, like chrysanthemums, asters and cyclamen. So we're going to talk you through some of these plants, show you how stunningly beautiful they are. So even though the days are shortening, the light levels are drawing in, you can still get some plants to bloom during the gloom. Autumn flowering cyclamen, these are absolutely stunning in lovely shades of pink, sometimes almost a whitish colour. These are fragrant as well. How glorious are these? Stunning looking leaves as well, that tend to appear pretty much after the flowers have disappeared. These will spread and make huge carpets and grow in really super dry areas and shady areas, as you can see under the trees here. These are absolutely knockout for late summer, autumn colour. Rebekahs are a stunning perennial as well. They start flowering in the summer, but they will go well into the autumn. We're getting through to late September now, and these are still looking absolutely fantastic, smothered in these fabulous yellow daisy-like flowers, these black button centres. And you can see they're standing up on their own, no support needed, looking absolutely glorious in the late autumn sun. Wow, these are real stunners and a real joy to see. Asters are another amazing perennial for late in the season. As those days get shorter, that's when they start to flower in the most amazing range of colours. Pinks, purples, reds, really zingy colours, and they flower for a long time and just extend that colour right late into the autumn season. They are absolutely stunning. Another fantastic autumn flowering bulb is culum, or the autumn crocus. Got a super gorgeous double variety here, so don't think when we get to autumn the flowering season's over. These beauties come out just as the days start to shorten. Really stunning, really gorgeous. Lilas are another fantastic late flowering bulb. Look at these gorgeous ones, a lovely salmon colour. Come in a range of colours these, and when they're happy they just spread and look absolutely fantastic. Fuga, a late summer autumn flowering perennial, really impressive purple leaves, very notched, very dramatic shaped leaves, and these lovely flower spikes on tall straight stems. And also they're fragrant. I wouldn't say it's everybody's favourite fragrance, but definitely a fragrance. Easy to grow, likes a moist position, doesn't need staking, and will just flower late summer into autumn, and absolutely brilliant for the late pollinating insects. You can see there's bees and all sorts of insects buzzing around on these. So yeah, try this one, really great for that late season colour.